Get another clip of the Monte Carlo before I cleaned it up some more. The only parts I have left in here to remove would be the seat belt. Speaking of seat belts, I'm pretty sure I had the other one of these bolted in here when it left. I'll have to double check and look through his parts after this video and see if I have that. Dash, steering wheel, seat, and seat belt. I'll just remove this one. It's missing this lock mechanism that triggers the seat belt in here. I'm going to vacuum this up and grind the rust off and throw some satin black paint over it also. I'll remove the old nasty insulation that was behind the back seat. Put a new piece there. Well, if he's doing a loud stereo and we want it to port through better, probably just leave it off. The metal's in really good shape from the side up, and that's not too awfully bad considering how the rest of the floor did look. I'll go over it and wipe it down too before the carpet goes in. Before carpet, we have some wiring that we'll have to do quite a bit, so I'll get all that straightened out next. Got this one touched up, ready to throw it back together and let it sit for however long it takes. Wait until I get a place with a garage. I'll probably do a frame off restoration on this vehicle. That's the idea anyways. And that's all I'm using to paint the floor with. Nothing special, but something's better than nothing. All that dirt I wiped up should help a little bit, keep it from rusting. Alright, to the next one. Peace.